A news reporter named ShibCharan Debbarma from Bishramganj tried to eat lakhs amount of government money through NGO taking the name of Press Club. After investigated from the Jampuijala PressClub, he is doing lots of illegal work by writing fake signature of the executive body of the press club. Jampuijala PressClub Executive Committee made this allegation by conducting press meet on Thursday evening. A fake news reporter named ShibCharan Debbarma from Bishramganj is on his mission to break the unity of Tripura news reporter. He worked as a news reporter in daytime and worked as IPFT politician during nighttime. He used to work as journalist only to show the people. His main purpose is to eat money in the name of Press Club through NGO. By knowing his greedy character, the Jampuijala PressClub has warned him twice or thrice regarding this. However, in his greediness for the sake of money, ShibCharan Debbarma forgets and ignores the warning that was given by the press club president, assistant secretary, organizing secretary, cashier, and executive body. As such, on the last 19th August, he was rusticated from the press club by the executive committee under the agreement of all the members. However, ShibCharan Debbarma was not satisfied with the order of the executive committee. As such, he had submitted a ShowCauseNotice in the name of Jampuijala PressClub, President Mongol Debbarma, Cashier Parashmani Debbarma, executive members Ashok Debbarma, by making resolution with the fake signatures of the executive committee. Moreover, ShibCharan Debbarma has printed the photos of those three people who was given the ShowCauseNotice with fake news in newspaper as if they are accused for murder or sexual assault. Furthermore, he spread the fake news about Jampuijala PressClub President Mongol Debbarma in the name of having affairs with girls in his YouTube channel. Based on this incident, Jampuijala PressClub President Mongol Debbarma responded to this allegation through a press meet on Thursday evening, where he responded saying a news reporter named ShibCharan Debbarma from Bishramganj tried to eat lakhs amount of government money through NGO taking the name of Press Club. He is doing lots of illegal work by writing fake signature of the executive body of the press club.
Jotono hambai sini Jampuijala PressClub tini nukjagna ni nangka nugjagi ahli tongmani no sini bisingo kok asaijak sini bisingo je party tongmani lokorok ni buskang hai kaba kok sana tongmani ya tini kok hangkai obono 29 August 2023 wo sini executive meeting tei Jampuijala PressClub sung meeting asogoi palkhai no jotono gosilaiye sini Jampuijala PressClub ni secretary ShibCharan Debbarma no sung PressClub ni secretary ni board hayakabo bone asok thai sung suspend khai rikha o suspend khaimani no joto sini Jampuijala PressClub ni committee ni bukhaktei joto gosiwi no na laiye bono jora suspend khaimani fiaba suspend khaimani ya golobo bo boni seal boni soy boni borok masamak ni mak tham no tuyei bo kbangma sini Jampuijala PressClub ni adongrok ni sakao bo suspend khaijak mono gosia khlai yasi suri tongmani abono karai bahaina brok thagnai sini Jampuijala PressClub ni raidana mani yakhai bising siko khai khlai meeting rok khai tongo borok thumoi bo meeting asok mani sini thani report sok paikha 3 tarik ko meeting asokoi bo khoroksa suspended hai kaba PressClub ni angkho rijak hai kaba bono ajagani suspend khaijak tutoino bo haina hai PressClub ni adong rokno emonki ano PressClub ni secretary niji ano obono kari bahaino sini executive ni yang tongo sini da Ashok bono yang sini cashier tongo Pores Moni bono o khorok tamno bo sukos rikha tei ang president ano bahaino sukos rewo obo sini PressClub ni bukhaktei belai raida saya bono sung suspend khaimani ya golobo bono sil soy bo saisong no khomta angjagoi phan phunugoi sini Jampuijala PressClub no yasi surui bo maike samung tangai tongmani sini Jampuijala PressClub bono belai selengjak belai raida saya tongma bai bono sung thinango bo tumung no mo hai step ro mui tongmani no sung nai nai bomai khlai sung boni bagai action nai man sudo obu simiya bo kobangma print media newspaper social media Facebook ro bo haino awai khai tongmani fake news khai tongmani obrok no sini Jampuijala PressClub sini oro tini executive sung manjaka office secretary in sibi khlai sung yang cashier boni o rider of no sung belani selengai thinango bori bagai sung step romnai sini ShibCharan Debbarma no sung tam bagai bono achukthani norkha boni bukhago sini Jampuijala PressClub ni bukhago kobang allegation kasaka kok phaikya emonki bo print media kobang organization bai krungai ya preri tongmani aborok sini PressClub ni bukhago o boni o tongrok musangya abono kari bahaino bo kobangma bini je false khai kobangma borok rokno nokol soi rok nowoi anisi borok kobang bo sabo o PressClub ano ko suspend khani sabo omai rok kobang mo boni allegation obno kari bahaino boni kobang ma bo NGO rok khologoi NGO ni khologoi bo income khainani PressClub ni mungoi media ni mungoi NGO rok khologoi income khainani business khainani obo planning boni obo bhaine sini PressClub kothma kasai phaikya obo o NGO rok sini PressClub hayaka bo sini media o omahai rule hayaka bo omahai ain kanon rok sini PressClub bai gothogya obon bagai boni potripot allegation tongmani bagai no bono tini PressClub ni raida o mani bo tongyani bagai bono sung suspend khaimani obno kari bahaino je borok rokno bo majority phunugoi borok kabang phunugoi soi rok namani proof abo bahaino sini oro tongo.
However, the members of Jampuijala PressClub allegedly said, why did ShibCharan Debbarma did not give any show cause notice to other member of the press since he was rusticated from the Jampuijala PressClub with the majority votes of Jampuijala PressClub. Likewise, all the Tripura news reporters of Jampuijala area are frustrated on ShibCharan Debbarma for making fake news and published in Bengali newspaper. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.